Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 9. This is the final video in our Microsoft Word Masterclass series. Today we will learn how to finalize, check, and safety package our document for official submission. We will follow a 10-step flow to organize our file, verify our layout, and create a final PDF. Please download the practice file and follow along. First, let us open our completely Word document. Before making any final change, look at the top of the screen to confirm that you have a correct working file open. Now, let us review the document. Scroll down slowly from the very third page. We want to check a few things carefully before saving it. First, make sure the title is correct. And second, see if any tables are cut off by margin. Third, check the page number are correct. Fourth, make sure there are no blank page and carefully look closely and ensure that there are no typo and spelling error. And taking a moment to check these details makes our work much more professional. Next, we will rename the file clearly. Please look at the page number 4. Before we save, let's look at some example of good file names. For a clear, editable Word file, this one is good. And for a final PDF version, this is perfect for submission and sharing. And for a standard department report, this is great because it shows the department report type and month and years. So we use these meaningful names so that anyone can understand the file contents instantly without opening it. Now let's rename our file and check the File tab at the top left and click Save As and click Browse and choose a folder. I'll save on my desktop and type the clear name and make sure you click Save. And this saves your editable Word file. Always keep this docs versions. You can easily make corrections, edits, or updates in the future. Now, let us add and check hyperlink to previous useful resources. Let's go back to the page number 3 and let's highlight this sentence and right-click in the first paragraph and click the hyperlink. I prepare the address so you can just copy the link and then paste the address, then click OK. The text turns blue with an underline, showing that the link is active. Okay, before we exporting, we must verify our layout. Let's click the View tab at the top and click Multiple Page. As we learned our previous lesson, this let us inspect our page side by side. Let's look at the print review check list on page 5, the final submission checklist. If there is any missing list before we submit our document. And now let's click the File tab and select Print and look at the preview screen on the left. We can confirm that the page table and margins and the page numbers appear correctly before exporting. Now let us look at the page number 4 to understand the difference between a Word file and the PDF file. The Word file is an editable format, but it has a risk. It may look different on another computer. The font, spacing, or page breaks can change depending on the receiver computer setting. A PDF file has a big advantage. It usually keeps the exact same layout. It locks your design like an image. It is much better when you share a document because the receiver cannot easily change the text. Now, let us create our PDF version using Save As. Click the file at the top left and click Save As on the left menu. Click Browse to choose your folder. Before resaving, let's change our file format to PDF and make sure this is best for printing and export. To verify your file, go to your desktop and open a web browser window. And now let's drag our PDF file directly into browser window. And this is an easy way to check that the file opened correctly and everything has transferred perfectly. And let's review the final result to confirm that the PDF looks exactly the same as your final document. You can also check the blue link we added to verify that opened the map perfectly. Now, our final step is complete the submission checklist. Let's look at the last page, number 6. We will read the checklist item together to confirm that our document is fully ready to submit or share. The file name is clear, the Word file is saved, the page layout is clicked, tables are not cut off, page numbers are correct, print review has been checked, the PDF file is saved, the PDF file is been opened the review, the correct version is ready to share, and the submission method is confirmed. Okay, in this final lesson, we learned how to review our text, use clear naming rules, check layout, and safely export a professional PDF. Please download this practice file, complete the checklist yourself, and practice these final steps. Thank you for completing this Microsoft Word Masterclass series. Keep practicing, and I wish you all the best with your administrative work. Thank you for watching.